Hi, everybody. This is GoPro Hero 7. This is GoPro Hero 7 Black. I will show you how to let GoPro Hero 7 Black be live streaming with Android phone. This is his GoPro Hero 7. Before you use, please open the hole and then open the power. Open the power and then go to set up two things. One is the resolution, HDMI. One is the resolution. Please select the Full HD 13. Full HD 13. The second, please off your video stabilization. Please off. And then go to your OSD. Close your Wi-Fi. And video input, HDMI output. Please live media and monitor. Please use live. Use live. Okay, and then plug the HDMI line. This is micro HDMI. Micro HDMI to HDMI. And then you will prepare this one, FEBON 180 UVC HDMI grabber card and the OTG line. If your Android phone is Type-C, you need to prepare the Type-C OTG line. If your Android phone is micro USB, please prepare the micro USB OTG line. My Android phone is Samsung S7 Edge. I use the micro USB OTG line. OTG line. And then open your Samsung. Okay. And plug the HDMI grabber card. Please use the app camerafi Live. And use Facebook Live. Stop. Yes. 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 And then plug your HDMI source from the GoPro. See? Okay. Many people, someone are interested. If I select the stabilizer on, what will happen? Okay. I will show you. If I select the stabilizer on, auto, what it happened? You see, please see. You will have a strong delay. Please see. Strong delay. So you must close your stabilizer from the GoPro. Close. It is very important. Off the stabilization off. Then again. Okay. And then now, just go. Yes. Go. Live streaming now. Live streaming now. Live streaming now. Okay. I use iPad to see my live, like Facebook Live. This is iPad. FEBON test. Live. Live now. It will delay 10 seconds. FEBON test. Live. Live now. It will delay 10 seconds. FEBON test. Okay. This video clip, I will show you how to let GoPRO Hero 7 be live streaming with Android phone. I have informed you two things. One, please off your resolution stabilization. This is very important. The second, HDMI, go to his OSD and cut off and select the live HDMI. HDMI output have three modes. One is live and the monitor and media. Please use the live. When you use the live, it will show the clean video. Okay. This is my video demo. Bye bye.